And a very good Sunday, the 7th of February, 2021. Thanks so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. My name is Jewel with J7409 Weather, with the weather news that you can use. This is the graphical forecast. I'm going to slide it over this way and just let it start to roll through, as we have much stuff going on, my friends, as you can see. You can see what everything looks like with the color codes up here as it moves on through. And it's looking like this fast-moving coastal storm is going to bring accumulating snow from the mid-Atlantic to southern New England today. Now, when I say accumulating snow, some areas are going to get more than others. Where it is a lighter shade blue, that's less snow. The darker the blue, the more snow. Now, where you see this purple and pinkish looking, this is ice that is going to be happening. Now, the consistent light snow should persist across the northern Rockies and central plains before it moves east into the Midwest and the Ohio Valley by Monday. But this cold, life-threatening wind chills, folks, they are going to continue for the foreseeable future throughout the northern plains and portions of the Midwest. Now, a low-pressure system's taking shape along the southeast coastline this morning, and it's set to race up the east coast today and bring potentially hazardous winter weather for several major cities from the mid-Atlantic to New England. Snow is already falling across portions of the southern and central Appalachians, including western North Carolina and southwest Virginia. We got a mix of rain and snow. It looks like it's going to move north throughout today and bring a few inches of snow from Washington, D.C. to New York City. Now, farther east, upwards to 6 to 8 inches of snow could fall across far southern New England, including Cape Cod. Now, even though temperatures are right around the freezing mark for the more highly populated regions in the Northeast, snowfall intensity could be heavy at times and rapidly reduce visibility. And this could make travel very difficult. The wintry precipitation, though, should be quick to exit and come to an end across eastern Maine early Monday morning. Meanwhile, showers and isolated severe thunderstorms are a concern across the central and southern areas of Florida today. Now, I have put up Central Florida is under a tornado watch until 7 a.m. this morning. As the day goes on, the risk for tornadoes should decrease. Snowfall is making the headlines across the northern Rockies and central plains as light to moderate snow impacts the region. We got a wave of low pressure now. It's going to move along a stationary front today across the northern Rockies and enter the central plains by Monday. Continued snowy conditions will add to an additional foot of snow across the mountainous terrains of northwest Wyoming, western Montana, and northern Idaho. Winter storm warnings are up there and also advisories for this area. Light snow is also expected to swing through portions of Nebraska today before it moves eastward across the Midwest and the Ohio valleys Monday. Although snowfall accumulations will be on the lighter side, temperatures well below freezing could make very dangerous road conditions. And this cold, the northern plains and Midwest, you're going to be in the icebox for another day of brutal wind chills as all of this Arctic air remains locked across the region for the foreseeable future, at least through Tuesday or Wednesday. Now, high temperatures, 20 to 30 degrees below normal, will be found from the Canadian border to Oklahoma, extending as far east as northern Indiana and as far west as Montana through at least Tuesday. Many northern locations will struggle to see temperatures above zero, with wind chill as cold as 50 degrees below zero. So, everyone, please be aware of your conditions. If you're in these very cold conditions, don't go out unless you have to. And if you do have to go out, make sure you bundle up really well with your gloves, your hats, layer up and have on a thick coat, because frostbite can occur in just 10 minutes. As we look at the national forecast map for today, my goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lows. And another one coming down from Canada that's going to sweep through here a little later on in the week. Can you even imagine, folks? Okay, this low that's coming up right here, this is what's bringing the chance of tornado threats over to central Florida for the morning hours. Rain over on coastal North Carolina, down around Myrtle Beach and some of South Carolina. Now, for the Piedmont and the western sections of North Carolina, the northern sections of South Carolina and eastern Tennessee, also Virginia and up around the Appalachian Trail, all the way over as we go down to Philadelphia. This is mixed precipitation, and you will have some snow mixed in with it later on today. You will have snow mixed in with it. Heavier snow falling this morning up in northern Idaho and over in a little of northeastern Oregon. We got mixed precipitation coming in off the coast from Washington State to the state of Oregon. Snow everywhere else, as you can see. Montana, Wyoming, Nebraska, northeastern Kansas, moving over into northern Missouri, portions of Iowa, Illinois, and Indiana. Also, all of the snow is going to be going on in the northeast for today also, as I've told you. When we look ahead and get up to tomorrow, let's see what that is going to be looking like. As we see these lows move, you can see this one's going to get right on the coastline of Florida and move on out, and that should clear your weather up. But tomorrow it will be bringing much rain and thunderstorms from Florida, southern Georgia, southern Alabama, the panhandle of Mississippi, and a little of Louisiana. So far as freezing rain, parts of Missouri, freezing rain going on. And a little later on in the week, as you saw in the graphical forecast, western Tennessee, you're going to have freezing rain probably Wednesday night and most of the day Thursday. Also, over in Oklahoma, up around Miami, Oklahoma, be aware, freezing rain and very cold temperatures as this high moves down with snow. From Canada, it's going to get cold and nasty. Folks, I think February is going to be one of the coldest time periods all winter this year. As you can see, this is the wind chill factors. This is today's date. We're going to click through. Pay attention to the purple line and the white line as it moves down. Right now, as you can see, look here, 13. This is Fahrenheit. It's a wind chill. This is wind chills, what the wind's going to make it feel like. It is going to be something else, my friends. So please, please be aware of what's going on. Stay safe. We're going to move this over just a little bit. We're going to keep on clicking through here. See if we can get this to go through. As we come up to tomorrow, the 9th, you can see right in here, look at these cold, cold temperatures. 19. Now this is wind chill again, over in Connecticut. Over here we got a -4 in Maine. Over in Minnesota, -39, -40. Wisconsin, parts of Wisconsin, -35. It just goes on and on and on. Let's just move it right through and see how far it does go down. By the time the 12th rolls around, look here. This is -9, -9 in Oklahoma, 6, 5. Oh my goodness. Western Tennessee, 7 degrees, 10 degrees. Can you believe this, folks? Over in Oregon, -0 in some places. It's just going to keep getting cold, 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 my friends, as the days move on. Please prepare. This is going to come down looking like Central and Southern Florida will be the warmest places as it goes as of now. I'll keep up on all this and keep you posted. Stay warm, stay safe, be aware of your skies. May you have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching.